Okay friends, so today we are going to discuss on Adani Group stocks. The video title is Adani Group stocks and the title is what to do now. Interesting information, it's a fundamental call, multi-baggers in the making. Adani Group stocks have been top wealth creators so far. Let it be 2018, 2019 or 2020. They have been performing very nicely, mind-boggling returns. So let's look into it. This is a snapshot of one of the article which I have taken. The Adani Enterprise price on January 1st 2020, December 31st 2020, and the year to date return for the year 2020. So Adani Enterprise, Adani Port, Adani Power, Adani Transmission, Adani Gas, Adani Green Energy. Adani Enterprise was at 207. It gave returns of 129%. It closed at 477 at 31st December. Adani Ports was at 377, 480. Adani Power was at 63. It gave a negative return of 20% at 49. Adani Transmission was at 333. It closed at 436, gave a return of 31%. Adani Gas was at 176. It closed at 376. The return was 131%. Adani Green was at 171 and gave a return of 530%. It closed at 1049, 1050. So these kind of returns, mind-boggling returns, the Adani Group companies have given in 2020. Okay, like 530% returns in Adani Green, 131% in Adani Gas, 31% in Adani Ports as well as in Adani Transmission. Adani Enterprise, it's doubling, like 129% in Adani Enterprise. Only the negative performer was Adani Power, that was minus 20%. So this is the current status of the Adani Group's stocks prices now. This is yesterday's closing or 2 days back closing, because Friday, Saturday is normally a weekend. So Adani Enterprise currently is quoting at 988. On 31st December it was at 477. So it has doubled already. Adani Port is 703. It was at 480 on 31st December. So it has also doubled. Adani Power is at 94. It was at 49 in December 31st, doubled. Adani Transmission 870 currently, and it was at 436, doubled. Adani Total is at 905. It was on 31st at 376, not double, almost triple. Adani Green is at 1212. It was at 1050, 31st December 2020. This is given a 20% return. So these kind of mind-boggling returns it has given in the year of 2020, 2021. So can we assume or can we take it as granted that these stocks are going to give returns like this only? Okay, over a short period of time, this is my opinion. Opinion differs from people to people, person to person. So from my perspective, from a short-term angle, we can sell the stocks at the current price and then buy it later when the stocks correct. It can go down 20-30% whenever the market corrects, because it has given mind-boggling returns so far. Secondly, it can have a time-bound correction, like the prices remain stable but it stays at the levels where they are for a longer period of time. And the other way is like it starts moving much higher. So if you're a short-term investor, get out of the stocks and try to buy it again when it dips 20-30%. If you're a long-term investors, don't worry about short blips. Just hold on to your scripts for the next 5 to 10 years to come. So this is what the view is. One should book profits of about 70% of their holding in these shares and hold the rest 30% for long term. Long term is 5% or more. There has been a mind-boggling moves in the stocks worth a lifetime opportunity to us. Those who have missed it out. You cannot expect such moves every now, every then in any stocks. Normally it happens in a lifetime. And Adani Power has not performed as good as the other group stocks. So there is a possibility of such mind-boggling moves in the stock as well. But there was some news on delisting the stock, and that has been a reason for the stock not to perform in line with other stocks in the same group. So Adani Power has not performed so far, but there is negative news as well that they're going to delist it. So that may be a reason why it is, if they recall that decision on delisting, that is going to zoom, it's going to go much higher. Okay friends, so this was my opinion on Adani Group shares. This is a disclaimer, this is for educational purpose. I'm merely sharing my opinion with no gains of guarantee, no guarantee of gains or losses on any investment, and I'm not a SEBI registered advisor or an analyst. This is my personal view, and everyone should take a decision on any stock I talk about by doing their own independent research. Okay friends, hope you like this video.